What is software testing and what are different levels in software testing and what are current market expectations? What are you expected to do once you get in a software testing role? And then we'll see how a software application is developed, the entire life cycle, and also the entire testing life cycle. Where do you begin testing and where do you end testing? We'll look into it. And we'll see difference between manual and automation testing. We'll discuss about what exactly manual testing is and what exactly automation testing is. What has more demand in the market now. And then we'll see the roles and responsibilities of a manual testing engineer and then automation testing engineer. And finally, we'll discuss about what exactly is Selenium, what do you need to learn Selenium, and then I will wrap the section by discussing about what are these course details and what is the outcome of this course, what do you expect from this course, and at the end of the course, what will you be learning, and how will you be implementing that your current project, or if you are a fresher, how do you use them in the interview to crack a job. So let's start with the first question. What is software testing? Software testing is a way we test an application. It can be a web application like Amazon.in. So we have this Amazon website, right, which is a web application. And software testing doesn't mean we test only web applications. We can also test mobile applications. Like for Amazon, we have a mobile app. We can test that too. And also desktop applications, like we have a calculator in our desktop. Uh, we have a Teams recorder or meeting scheduler in our desktop. We can test that too, because that is also a software. Software testing describes about uh, what is expected from a software, and we check everything is working fine or not. That's typically what software testing is.